How to fix if calendar app not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are also facing mail and calendar app in Windows 11 not working, the first workaround is clear Microsoft Store caches. To do this, go to run command box and type WSREACT and press OK. It will clear Microsoft Store caches and help in fixing this issue. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type Microsoft Store, update mail and calendar app in Windows 11 and 10. From the left pane, choose library, and here available updates will show, and look for calendar app. Here you will find available update. Click on update button to update mail and calendar app. Wait for some times till the updating procedure is completed and check whether your calendar app is working or not. If not, go to the next workaround. Again, go to Windows search and type a store troubleshoot. Find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on open. Click on next. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, and let the Windows complete the troubleshooting process. It will detecting problems and help in resolving the issue. Reset an app. Open apps and feature in Windows settings. Here look for calendar app. And click on three horizontal dot against mail and calendar app. Click on advanced options. Here scroll down and you will find the option terminate reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. First choose repair, and if this app is still not working, then choose reset mail and calendar app in Windows 11 and 10. Finally, close the windows and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Again, go to Windows settings and click on Windows Update and install Windows latest update if update available. Any corrupted file system may be a cause of this error, so scan your system and run DISM tool. Go to command prompt Windows, run as administrator, and here execute DISM tool. These three commands as shown on a screen: DISM, scan health, check health, and restore health. Execute this command one by one, followed by enter key on each times. Thereafter type sfc scan now to check any corrupted file system and repair them accordingly. That's all.